Welcome to Dobby's Repairs. I'm Dobby the Fixing Elf, and this is what's in my toolbox, the series where I show you the tools I use to repair cars and fix things. So let's find out what's in my toolbox today. And in this instalment, we have this US.PRO 3724, and it is a 4-piece impact socket for removing rod nuts and wheel nuts. So it's designed primarily for alley wheels, so you've got the plastic covers on the socket so you don't damage your inside of your wheels, or if you scrape it up against the wheel, won't damage anything. And it comes in with 4 sizes, and the most common sizes I seem to work with. So we've got a 17, a 19, a 21 and a 22, and to be honest with you, I've never used a 22. I've never come across a 22, but I've needed to actually take off yet, but always would useful to have in case you need it. For these 3 sizes, fairly common. 17 obviously the most common size that I seem to work on. And they're really nice, really well made. You see, they hold up to an abuse really quite well. I've got some footage of this one in action as well, so you'll see that in action, and I will show you that. And one thing I do like about these is I've used them a fair amount and this plastic doesn't slip or slide around. Sometimes you can get these and the plastic starts spinning, and these ones seem really well made. Definitely not coming off. Then the 19, which is all colour coded as well, it's really quite nice. And just inside here, they've got a little plastic. I don't know if you can see that down the bottom there. Probably not. Bear with me, and I'll find a torch and show you that in just a minute. Yeah, they're all really well made. They're all really quite nice. You've got these little plastic protectors for the top of your finger. Even with the bigger side, I can't show you. Let me just grab a torch and I will show you quickly. And I'm back with a torch. And yeah, so just down on the inside of here, you can just see it just down. I've got these little plastic stoppers as well to stop you damaging the top of the wheel nuts. Sometimes they can spin, and it's really quite handy to have that in there. The inside walls are pretty nice as well, all pretty good. My camera's darkened, so hopefully you saw that alright, because I was looking to really focus on the thing, but it should be fine. Yeah, these are generally really nice little sockets. The 19 I use on a lot of Fords and stuff. You want to use on a few different vehicles, mainly the bigger vehicles, and obviously the same with the 22s. Yeah, the 17 is the one I've used the most, so it's the one I'm going to talk about the most in this video. It's obviously red. I want to mention they're all colour coded, so you get red, blue, orange for 19, and green for the 22, which is quite nice. And generally this little kit lives on my jack. There's a little tray bit on my jack, and I have it living there so I can quickly grab it out and grab whichever one I need when I'm jacking up a car. And as far as tools I use with them, 2 tools I mainly use with them is this draper impact gun, which you may have seen in previous videos, and one of the more popular videos on the channel, I think. It's a little draper storm force. Let me just try and get in through so I can actually pop the socket on. I'll show you with the 22. It didn't get much love. Yeah, it's gone any half inch. And really quite nice. And yeah, this thing is a beast. You may have seen it, and like I said before, I use it a lot. Not many bolts just can't get undone, especially when it's fully charged. And yeah, really handy little thing to have. And the other tool I use it a lot with is this lovely, I'm not going to be able to see all of it, this 2-foot breaker bar, or power bar. And it's great for breaking wheel nuts loose, especially with like, get them on here nice and easily, like so. Get a bit of distance on there for you. And yeah, it generally just, it works really well. I will do a demonstration of these tools in action with these sockets in just a moment. Overall, let me just adjust the camera again, you can't see anything. And yeah, so really handy little thing. Like I said, I keep them on the jack normally. So like you said, all I've got to do is pop this open and grab out all the socket I need. I do tend to as well, I do intend to, so I say, Plan to put some magnets or something on the bottom of here to help keep it solid, because sometimes it can fall off a jack. It's removable if I need it, but I'm going to put a couple of magnets on the bottom here. And I'm also planning to make for my jack a little holder. Sorry, talking about other stuff rather than tools, but a little holder for this thing. So I can clip back to the side of the thing, so if I need to break wheel nuts loose, I've got all the stuff I need on hand to quickly grab out. Obviously I went for the impact on there, because it's quite big and cumbersome and it needs a battery. But generally, this is always fully charged, normally the battery's on charge. And when I need it, I'll take it out and remove some tough fasteners with it. But these are great for removing wheel nuts. I've used them on various different cars, and they seem to hold up really well. There are 6 points inside, so you probably can see that just about on the camera. I'm trying to adjust it just so you can see. Let me zoom in and see if that makes any difference. There we go, you can see the 6 points inside there. Yeah. Bit worn in inside where they've been used a lot since I've had them. I haven't had them terribly long, a couple of months now, and I've used them virtually every time I've needed to take a wheel off, which is pretty good. I took in, I'm gonna say about, at least with the 17, about 20 wheels off of it, maybe a bit more, and it's held up really well. No moving, no damage, no, so pretty good. And when I say 20 wheels, I mean 20 sets of wheels, so that's quite a lot of wheels. And yeah, again the 19, not as many, not as worn on the inside, but it's still pretty good. I'm going to see some footage of this in action now, and then we'll come back and I'll give you my final thoughts. And here we are, we're going to break the lug nuts loose on the Citroen C4 Grand Picasso. So here's the 17mm socket that we need for it. We're going to pop it on this lovely breaker bar that I showed you earlier in the video. And yeah, just get it on there and give it a good break. You can see, really quite nice. And then you've got to quickly move the camera slightly just so I can get the bar round and carry on breaking it loose. There we are. I'm going to pop it off and just use it by hand. That's a nice thing about these deep sockets as well, you can just do it by hand. Almost out, and like I said, it does get a good grip on the 70mm lug nuts here. You see, and that's what I show you, like when you tap it against the wheel, it doesn't do any damage. And these wheels need a bit of a tidy up anyway, but they do. But the sockets work really well, and they don't damage anything, which is really good. And that's what you don't want to do. You don't want to damage your alloy wheels. Yeah, we can tighten it down and quickly get the breaker bar. I will torque these back down to spec afterwards. So yeah, that's tight enough for now. There we are. I know you can see this in the corner there. There's the impact that we're going to be using in a second. There we are. So there's the impact coming out. So just quickly grab the impact, pop it on, and then we'll use a different lug nut this time. And yeah, just quickly hold the trigger and boom, out it comes. Fairly straightforward. Remember, these are torqued down to 100 Newton meters, so they're quite tight on there. And that will come off nice and easily, and I drop the socket and we'll put it back on now, just so you can see it putting it back on. Just drop it under there and pick it back up. There we are, and now we'll put it back on. And yeah, these sockets work really well for removing wheel nuts, what they're designed to, as you'd expect. So I know not the most exciting footage to show you, but it does the job. And like I said, I'll come back and torque these down to the right spec off the camera, because they're putting you showing that as well. And yes, so now you've seen this in action, and just before we get into my final thoughts, just a quick bit of housekeeping. I should really start doing this at the start of the videos, but I like to leave it to a bit of time in the video to ask if you enjoyed this video so far. Please drop a like and subscribe, that would be great if you're new. If you're a returning viewer, thank you very much for returning. Obviously we also have channel memberships that give you access to exclusive videos and early access to all the other videos that come out. That starts at 99p, slightly more if you're on Apple because they have a different tariff or something. I'm not quite sure how it works, but Apple's slightly dearer, so sorry about that if you're an Apple fan. Just go on a PC and subscribe on the website if you want to become a member that way. But yeah, moving on to my final thoughts on the sockets now. They are a really good set of sockets, really handy, really useful to have. It means you don't damaging your alloy wheels of your customers or even your own. And they mean they keep everything nice and clean and thing, especially like as you saw in the bit of footage, I rubbed the socket against the thing, normally that would mark your wheel. And sometimes you're not as careful as you want to be, so having this extra bit of protection definitely does help, and that's why I'm going to give them a 4-spanner rating, so 4 spanners will pop up here as always. And yeah, really handy, useful set of sockets to have, especially if you're working on a lot of alleys. If you're working on a lot of steelies, you probably don't need them, but the colour coding does help, so maybe you do want them. And yeah, overall a good little set of sockets for a moving wheel nut. It's nice to have a little set dedicated to that rather than having to find other sockets. Go around and grab, like normally I used to use the deep sockets from my deep US.PRO set. I'll put a link to that down in the description as well for you. But overall these are really handy little sockets and they work really well. And a huge thank you to my Fixing Club members, Mr. R, Sebi, Jason, Rodney and Macca. Thank you all for your support, it really helps me and the channel out. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful or entertaining, don't forget to hit that like button, it really helps both the channel and me out. If you're new here, consider subscribing. I post 2 videos a week, so by subscribing you'll never miss a thing. Got any questions or suggestions? Drop a comment down below, and I'll do my best to reply to everyone. Here at Dobby Repairs, we're all about helping you learn how to work on your vehicle safely and showing you don't need to spend a fortune on tools to get the job done. Want to support the channel further? Become a member, starting at just 99p. Members get perks like early access to videos and more exclusive content. Keep fixing, and I'll see you in the next one.